My name is Alexis, and today I will be showing you how to make a delicious salad. Now before we begin, you should know that salad was my favorite dish as a child. My mom made delicious salads, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do today. First ingredient you'll need is spinach. Now I know this seems odd, but trust me, spinach tastes much better than lettuce in a salad. Next, you'll need cranberries, dried, of course. Cut up hot dogs. Cherry tomatoes, because who doesn't like a good cherry tomato? Chopped red peppers. Now you want to be sure that your peppers are chopped, because if they're not, they're going to be much harder to eat. Sunflower seeds. Bacon bits. Cheese, of course. And last, but definitely not least, ranch dressing. Now the first step you need to do is get your spinach out and wash it thoroughly. When choosing your spinach, you want to make sure that you choose pieces that aren't brown or disgusting in any way. I would say take about 2 handfuls, and that should be plenty. Now I just washed the spinach, and I made sure that I washed it thoroughly. This way, it's ready to go right into the salad. Now a piece like this is something that you want to avoid putting in your salad. It's going to taste bitter and slimy. Now your second step is you're going to want to get a nice bowl to put your salad in. You're going to take your spinach and carefully, because you don't want to crush it, put it in your salad bowl, like so. Now it's time to add our first ingredient. The first thing that I put in my salad is always my peppers. We're just going to take some peppers and put about 1 handful in, because you don't want it to be too strong. Next, we'll put in a few tomatoes. When using cherry tomatoes, I usually put 3 or 4. Now our third ingredient is going to be the chopped hot dogs. Again, you only want to put 1 handful because we are making a single serve salad. Next, we're going to add our dried cranberries. Again, make sure you're only putting 1 handful unless you really like dried cranberries. Next, we're going to put in our sunflower seeds. 1 handful, as always. Next, we're going to put in our bacon bits. I like to make sure that I sprinkle my bacon bits around. Now, the final step for this part is to add in your cheese. For this size salad, I want to put in about a handful and a 1/4 of cheese. So just that much. My next to last step is I want to toss my salad because I want to make sure that everything is nice and mixed together. So how I'm going to do this is I'm going to place the lid on top of the bowl. Then I'm going to pick it up and I'm going to shake it. Just like that. That's definitely my favorite part of the process. Now you'll see when I open it up, everything is going to be mixed together. Now your final step is to put on your favorite dressing. For me, that's ranch. But for you, that could be Italian. It could even be Catalina. Whatever it is, you choose your favorite and pour it on top of that delicious salad. Now we get to enjoy our delicious salad. Mmm. Now we get to enjoy eating the delicious salad.